Let's proceed to number 3. How many years will it take for 25,000 to double if invested at 8% compounded annually? So we're given P is 25,000. Target FB is 50,000 and double the amount. R is 8% annual compounding. So required T years to double the money. So our solution, we have 1 plus 0.08 raised to T uh, is equal to 2. 2 comes from FB over P. So therefore, T is equal to ln of T over ln of 1.08, and that is approximately 9.01 years. Total answer, ay final answer, T is approximately 9.1 years. Number 4. A loan of 100,000 pesos to be repaid in 5 years at 6% compounded quarterly. Find the maturity value. So we're given a loan principal P of 100,000. The nominal R is 6%, which is 0.06. It is compounded quarterly. M is equal to 4 and T is equal to 5. So we are asked to determine the maturity value FB. Our formula to use is FB is equals to P times 1 plus R raised to M times M raised to MT. Substituting the value, our final answer when we compute it is equivalent to 134,685 pesos and 50 centavos. Number 5. Find the compound interest earned if 30,000 pesos is deposited at 7% compounded monthly for 3 years. So, the given is 30,000. R is 7%, the nominal rate. The compounded monthly, therefore M is equal to 12. And then T is 3 years. So required, compounded interest earned, I is equals to FB minus P. So obtain first the future value or the maturity value. That is 30,000 times 1 plus 0.07 divided by 12 raised to 36. 36 is 3 times 12. And then approximately it is equal to 36,987.77. And to get I, FB minus P. So substitute the calculated FB and the given P. The final answer is 6,987 and 77 centavos. Number 6. If 12,000 pesos grows to 18,000 pesos in 6 years, compounded annually, what is the nominal annual interest rate? So we're given P is equal to 12,000, FB is 18,000, annual compounding is 6 years. We are required to determine R, which is the nominal annual rate. So solution, 1 plus R raised to the 6th power is equal to the future value, 18,000, divided by the P, which is 12,000. And then R is calculated to be 0.06991319. So the final answer is 6.9913%. Number 7. A principal of 40,000 earns 6% compounded semi-annually. How much will it be worth after 10 years? So we're given P is 40,000, R is 6%, which is 0.06, compounded semi-annually, meaning our M is 2, and then our T is 10. So the required value after 10 years, and so that is the FB, future value or maturity value. So our solution, FB is equal to 40,000 times 1 plus 0.06 over 2 raised to 20. And approximately, our final answer is 72,244 pesos and 45 centavos. Number 8. How many years will it take for 5,000 pesos to become 10,000 at 9% compounded quarterly? So we're given P is 5,000 pesos. Our target FB is 10,000. And then the nominal R is 9%, which is 0.09. Compounded quarterly. Therefore, M is 4. So required the time T in years. So our solution, 1 plus R over M raised to MT is equal to FB over P. Now, from there, we can get T equivalent to ln of FB over P over ln M times ln of 1 plus R over M. Substitute now the given data. The final answer is T approximately 7.79 years. Number 9. 80,000 pesos is invested at 10% compounded annually. Find the future value after 7 years. So we're given P is 80,000. R is 10%, which is 0.10. Annual compounding. T is 7 years. Required future value. FB. So solution, FB is equals to P, 80,000 times 1 plus R, which is 1.10 raised to 7. And the final answer, FB is approximately 155,897 pesos and 37 centavos. Number 10. A company invests 250,000 at 6% compounded monthly. How much interest will it earn after 4 years? So we are given P is 250,000. R is 6%, which is 0.06. Compounded monthly, M is equal to 12. And T is equal to 4 years. So required, the interest earned, I is equals to FB minus P. The solution, solve first for FB. And to solve for FB, use the formula FB is equals to P times 1 plus R over N raised to M times T. Substitute the given data. The answer is 317,622 pesos and 29 centavos. We can now calculate the interest I from the formula FB minus P. Substitute the calculated FB value and then the principal. So we have 317,622 pesos and 29 centavos minus 250,000 is equal to 67,622 pesos and 29 centavos. So the final answer, our FB, the interest is 67,622 pesos and 29 centavos. Number 11. A 15,000 deposit earns 4% compounded quarterly. How long will it take to reach 20,000 pesos? Our P is 15,000. The target FB is 20,000. R is 4%, which is 0.04 in decimal. Compounded quarterly, so M is 4. We are required to determine the T, our solution, using our formula. T is equals to ln FB over P over M times ln 1 plus R over M. Substitute the given data, and after computation, the final answer is T, approximately equal to 7.23 years. We will have the next part of our lesson, quarter 4, numbers and algebra, lesson Roman numeral number 1.